the basics of Excel. So the first thing we're gonna discuss is what is a cell. This rectangular box that you see, which is getting highlighted right now, is called a cell. In Excel it is called a cell. It is used to enter or store a value, like I'm storing a numeric. You can even store alphabet over here. You can even store numbers over here. So this is a cell, and it has a reference address. Every cell has a unique address which can be used to enter formulas or create references. Like the address for this cell is E4. You see, E is highlighted and 4 is highlighted over here. So this is the address of this particular cell. So column E, row 4. Same way, the address of this cell would be G7. Alright, next we come to what is a column. This vertical stack is called a column. C, D, E, F, G, H. This is a column. You can select multiple columns also. Just click on your left mouse button and scroll right. So you can select all these together. If you this is how you can select a column. See, a column is a vertical stack. Alright, top to bottom or bottom to top, either which way. And then how to add a column? To add a column, what you need to do is click on the column header, which is the C, D, E. Click here and this complete column gets highlighted, and you can do a right click and insert. So a new column gets added. See, 123 would shift now to G. See, this 123 as of now was on F, now it is on G. It is now on G. It will move to H because a new column is getting inserted over here. See, same way we can delete a column like this. Click on the header, select the complete column and click on delete. There is one more way to enter a column, add a new column, is Control plus. See, Control plus. I am deleting them. How to delete a column? Well, select the column and just click delete. Now what is a row? A horizontal stack of data or values is called a row. From left to right we call it a row. So row is 6, this is a row. 7, this is a row. 8, you can select multiple rows at a time also. Simple. I have taught you how to select using the mouse. Now we can know how to select using the keyboard. Excuse me. Select the row, press shift and use the arrow keys to select either up or down. Alright, you can also select using the keyboard shortcut key. Control space would select the column, and shift space would select the row. Shift and space pressed together would select the row. Control and space pressed together will select the column. You can also insert columns the way we saw earlier. Insert. There is another way. Control plus. You can delete it also like this. Delete. Or Control minus. What is a range? Well, a collection of cells is called a range. Like this collection of cells is called a range. Now see what is highlighted? Column C and rows 4 till 15. So column C 4 till 15 is a range. Ranges can be named also specifically. So as of now, I'll not go into depth about it. In my another video, I have covered what is a range, how to name it, and how to use it in your formulas. How to insert value? Now how to insert value in a cell can be direct. 1 2 3 4 A B C D. Sorry, I typed in QWER and symbols this, and usually it is also used to denote abusive language, right? And There is one more way how to insert value. Say it is much more than just typing data. Excel can do that much more for you. See, I'll show you something. Sorry. See, now I want to say insert letter B over here, but I don't want to change any of these numbers. I want them to be shifted down automatically while I insert B over here. How do I do that? I click over here, right click and click on insert, and it gives me an option, shift cell down. So I click on OK. These cells have shifted down, and now I can type in B or anything else. See, this is so easy. And there is another option to this. I right click it, click on insert and shift cells right. So this 2 will come here, this B will come here. See, this becomes empty. See, and also if I click on insert, I can insert a complete row. Click OK, a complete row gets inserted. I can also insert a column. Insert a column. Okay, a new column gets inserted. I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo what I have done. Ctrl Z. Control is the CTRL button. Same way, we can delete using this. Shift cell up. This 2 would be deleted and this 3, 4 would come up. See? Isn't it cool? Yes, it is. And what does else do? Delete, shift cells left. It will delete it and do it like this. I'll bring it back. Delete and entire row. So this complete row number 6 would get deleted. Click OK and it's gone. To bring it back, I'll simply press Ctrl Z, abracadabra, and here it is. And you can delete a complete column also. The complete column is gone, see? I bring it back. That's what I can do. I can take away things, bring them back. Haha. And there's one more way of deleting things. And say you have selected this. You want to delete it. You can also click on clear contents of this. Sorry. Select this, clear contents, and this 3 is gone. So if somebody says delete a value from a cell without pressing delete, so you now know what to do. Right click on that and press clear contents. Or if you want to do it by using a shortcut key, right click and N. See? How to, and simple delete, press delete and it will go like this. You want to delete a row, simply select a row and delete it. You can press Ctrl minus or simply delete. The complete data is gone. And how to copy, very important in Excel. How to copy? Well, copying is very easy. Say I've selected, we'll copy something else. Let's write something first. Let's write you are a good student. See, we can increase the size by clicking over here. You are a good student. So we have written this. We want to copy it from here and take it to here. So we will simply go here, press Ctrl C, CTRL plus C, and choose the destination by clicking the cell where we want to paste it and press Ctrl V. We got it. Now press escape to unselect this. Now again highlight this cell, right click it and click on copy. See, again it gets highlighted. That means it's ready to be copied. Select the place you want to paste it, right click it and click on paste. There is one more way of doing it, which is simply Ctrl X. Select the place you want to place it and click paste. See, this has gone from here now. It was cut and paste. Copy and paste is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Cut and paste is Ctrl X and Ctrl V. So let's bring it back. So this was cut, copy, paste. How to edit data? Okay. Well, to edit data in Excel, if you have highlighted a cell and if you think you can edit it right here, well, to some extent you are right, and to a large extent you are wrong. If you start typing something new here, the old data would go away. So you need to double click here. Double click gives you this bar cursor over here, and you can type in, say I'll type in a full stop. So now I was able to edit it by double clicking it, or simply I select this cell and go to this edit bar, formula bar, and now start typing anything. You are a good student. Good job. Now keep it up. Okay. We want to resize it. Simply double click on this sign. Keep it up. So I was able to edit it like this. Or there is one more way. You can simply select the cell and press F2. This address bar, this cursor would come up. Now you can edit it. I have deleted it. See, I can again resize it. So this is